If you're looking to break into investment banking, private equity, or a related corporate finance role, you already know that being seen as a top performer on the job will open the door to incredible work experience and significant earnings potential. You also know how fierce that competition is. A quick search on Quora will show you thread after thread asking the same question: how do I get into these coveted positions? They all share one piece of advice in common: you need to know how to build financial models. And Wall Street Prep's Financial and Valuation Modeling Training Program is going to teach you just that. We're going to take you through all of the core financial models that finance professionals are expected to know on day one. We'll start with a three-statement model, move ahead to the discounted cash flow model, the M&A model, comps models, and finally, the LBO model, which is a key model you'll definitely want to know in your technical finance interview. Now, you should know this is not a quick starter course. This is not a bunch of YouTube videos strung together. This is a deep dive training program, and it is meant to fully prepare you for your interviews and for the job. In fact, it's the exact same online training program that 8 out of the top 10 investment banks use to train their incoming analysts and associates. So you can get started for free right now. Just click the link below. We're going to give you a free financial modeling course. It's going to give you a really good sense of how we teach, and you can actually click through the entire training program, see just how complete it is and how easy to follow it will be. Let's get started.